dissolved out along the bedding plane. So here we are on the road to Keene Mine. We're heading towards the Funeral Mountains. We're still down on the valley floor. We're pretty low below sea level, at least 200 and something feet. And we're looking at some sedimentary deposits that are isolated out in the middle of the basin. Clearly some type of basin fill, and they're highly bedded, looks like sandstones and shales, and there are little things that are dissolved out. So pretty interesting, and they're deformed. So far the temperature is not too bad. It was about 80 at the visitor center just a few minutes ago, and it's going to be heating up. We're here still in the morning, so we're out to explore the mine and to go take a look towards the Funeral Mountains as we drive up and take a look. Our ultimate goal this morning is to get to Rhyolite.
This would be a place to do a Mars expedition rover.
Well, the reason is there's very little vegetation, just like there's no vegetation on Mars, and the temperature extremes are very severe, so you have to be aware of that. And the rocks are very nicely exposed, so you can pretty much see the desolate landscape. And so here in the basin fill, there's all kinds of conglomerates. We're looking at a lot of materials that are old materials that are coming down. There's pre-Cambrian in the hillside. There's Paleozoics. We're seeing a whole lot of different class that are washed down.
Are you getting enough background? Okay, tilt the flat.
Come on this way, guys.